In order to activate your CIMB virtual debit card, you need to go ahead and log into your CIMB bank. Then tap on the Activate Your Virtual Card button, agree to the terms and conditions, and then after you need to go ahead and click on Get My Virtual Card to complete the activation. The virtual debit card allows for secure online transactions using your linked deposit account. You can go ahead and download and do it from the CIMB bank application as well. And remember that the virtual card is activated quickly and easily through the app. You can use a virtual card for online purchases without exposing your physical card information. You can also have easy control over your virtual card, including setting limits and deactivating it through the app. The virtual card is available to all CIMB deposit customers with an active deposit account linked to the app. You can link the virtual card to any of your available CIMB deposit accounts as needed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.